Hello friends, today I'll show you how to make this design. You can easily make such interesting design through Canva. To learn more about this interesting design, you can definitely subscribe to my channel. If there is a new video later, you'll be the first to see it. So let's get started. After opening Canva, you need to go the photo section and then you need to searching any images as you want to design. So I am searching for Iceland for design today and then adjust this picture as a background. After that, we need to create another page for texts. So I am changing the background and then add a text box. So I'm adding a text box here and then its names will be Iceland. I need to change the font to Anton. Anton is best font for this design and then go to uppercase. And now need to adjust this text and then after adjusting need to change this uh, text color to white and we can add effects on this text. So go to effects and then selecting left effects to intensity 100%. And now we are going to download these pictures as a transparent background. So download and then PNG and then select page number 2 which I already designed Iceland and then transparent background and then download. After downloading we need to go apps section and then searching for a app whose name is transform image. So I'm searching here for transform image and then you will see a transform image app. So click on this image and then you need to upload it your file here. So I am uploading here. After downloading we need to fit or adjust this text on this image. Be carefully. So let's see how we can adjust or fitting in different way. So let's see. Finally, we have designed something like this. So friends, if you like this video, then definitely like, comment and subscribe to my channel for new Canva videos like this. See you soon in the next video. Until then, stay well and healthy.